All right, so once I get to the highway, I am going to switch to the eco-friendly map. When you get tuned by Admin, you have several maps. One is the performance map. The second one would be your pop flame map. So it's like your fun map where you can, shoot flames from your exhaust. And then the third one is eco-friendly one. Fourth one is anti-theft map. Once I get on the road, I'm going to definitely get on that map, and then we'll gauge it. We'll see how the car performs. Currently, my miles per gallon is it floats around 18.2 to 18.6 on the performance map. Hopefully we can get to around 19-20. I'll be happy with that. Check this out, guys. We got a military honey. I'm gonna be laughing if this is BTZ 34. I think I might know this guy. Let's see. I don't know the guy. That car looked very familiar though. I thought it was my buddy that I met before. I think it's funny, man. Every time I interact with someone else that has a 370Z or a 350Z, like, we always just look at each other and we just smile. Like, every encounter that I've had with another driver, as far as I'm driving another Z, like, we're always, like, if it's at a stop sign, like, we chop it up, you know what I'm saying? We're talking about our cars, what our mods are, what kind of tune, whatever. Or, like, if it's just passing by and we see each other, like, it's always like, we always just smile at each other, bro. Like, you guys don't understand how fun this car is to drive, bro. It's like so much fun to drive. It's like, it's not super fast, but just like the rawness of the sound, just the cockpit of the interior, and just like the way this car like really pulls. It's just like, it's an awesome experience, bro. It really is an awesome. It really is an awesome. I've had too much coffee, bro. I'm wired right now. My speech is fucked, but I'm trying to say awesome. There you go. Finally came out. Look, it's the Halo oranges. Wonderful Halo oranges. I love those oranges, bro. Thumbs up, baby. Y'all doing a good job. Quick update. The car is running pretty damn good on this economy map. Got 19.4 miles per gallon currently right now. Temperature's running good. Good oil pressure. The economy map, there's actually still has a lot of power. Like, I don't need to go to performance if I need to pass somebody or whatever. Like, there's enough power for you to like just cruise around. And if you need a downshift to make that pass, you can. Again, I give praises to Admintune, the administration, Monsef. Good job, bro. Thank you for tuning my car, man. We're gonna be driving through these mountains. I have about 100-mile range of fuel, so hopefully there's a gas station on this other side. I'm a little nervous right now, man. I'm a little nervous. Hopefully there's some gas on this other side of this mountain. Oh, God, answer my prayers. There's a gas station right before the mountain, bro. Like, right before the mountain. The gas station sign, normally those things are like super high, so you can see them miles away. But let me tell you guys what I'm talking about. You see that sign? That's not that high, so I couldn't really see it. Wow, look at that. $4.99 for regular gas, premium $5.39, bro. Holy shit. There's a cop ahead of me right now, so I'm not really trying to haul ass on this road right now. I'm just gonna enjoy the view. Oh, this road is kind of bouncy though, low-key, little bouncy. I'll let you guys just enjoy the exhaust tone. I'm on 5th gear right now. If you're wondering what kind of exhaust I have, a Motor 9 exhaust, TDX2 Shockwave with art pipes, meaning test pipes. just switched it to performance map, and you immediately felt the effect on the pedal and on the aggression of the motor. Like that was subtle, like that was instant. Beautiful weather. Let's see, what is it? It's about 80 degrees outside right now. You know, yeah, you get your forest fires and stuff, but overall, like, really awesome weather all year round. That's why a lot of foreigners from like different countries and stuff,
take the exit.
Oh fuck. Anyways, yeah, there's a lot of foreigners that move to California because of the weather, and I've asked them directly, especially some of the people from India. They said a lot of their weather is very familiar with California weather, so I thought that was pretty cool. Not seen these shaped Gatorades in a while. Definitely getting one of these on for the road. Why is the store so empty? Crazy, huh? I think about old ladies in here, huh? All right, guys. So I ended up staying in Tucson. That was about a 15 to 16 hour drive that I did from Northern California to Tucson. I did stop multiple times to get gas because this is getting about 20 miles per gallon. So, but if you guys are stopping in Tucson, I definitely recommend Hotel McCoy. You definitely will not get catfished. And this is the name here. But this is a 1-bedroom. Like, you have your nice bed, like the sheets are clean. You have your nice desk here, some good lighting, you have a nice TV, you got a mini fridge, you got the phone, you got a clock, you got hangers, you got a clean sink. There's some pretty awesome art around the walls and stuff. Cuando era una montaña, todos los cielos sabían mi nombre. When I was a mountain, all the skies or the sky knew my name. When I was a canyon, all the rivers would swim through my veins. Brian Lopez. That's pretty cool. Check out that view though, boys. The size of a hornet, grind from the morning to the next morning. There's a vending machine of just some like random stuff there, like rocks and stuff, and art. A vending machine of art. That's pretty cool. Pretty unique. Thank you guys. That was awesome, bro. And this is one of the indicators. If you're at the right hotel, they got a car outside. Nice trees out here. Like, the trees are looking kind of thin though, man. These trees looking thin as fuck, bro. Shit. Little ass tree ass, Tucson ass. Damn. You're looking good, G. You feeling better, bro, or what?
Yeah, bro.
Damn, dude. Good to see you, bro. Shit. It's been a while, man. Let me check out this Q50, bro. Or Q60, I mean.
The first year.
You made any changes to it, bro, or what?
What?
Have you made any changes to it? I really do like the tail lights on these. They're like really big and just bright as fuck.
Yeah.
So far, there's a lot of bad drivers in Tucson for sure. Bad drivers in Tucson. I ain't really liking this place, man. With all due respect, fuck this place, bro. Cannot wait to leave this place.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.
We're about 2 hours away from home. Look at the color of the sky with the sunset. You can see the different shades of blue and purple. I really did miss this these sunsets over here. But talking about, like, you know, futuristic stuff, NFT, the metaverse, cryptocurrency, all that in general, I think that is going to be a market where it will provide a lot of opportunity for you to get into these good companies, right? To the companies that will succeed in those markets at a very, very early stage. So what I mean is, like, it will provide investors opportunity, such as, you know, investing in Facebook early in its days, or Amazon or Google, or a lot of those, you know, FANG stocks. There's so many fields that you can choose from cryptocurrency. Like, you can choose like the tokens or slash cryptocurrencies. You can focus on decentralized finance. You can focus on nodes. You can focus on mining. You can focus on staking. You can focus on NFTs. You can focus on gaming to earn. You can focus on the metaverse. There's so many niches that you can just focus on one of them, get good at it, and just be there early. Look at that, boys, it's for sale. All right, guys, she's all cleaned up now. After 2 days of full travel, she's finally cleaned up. It was a long 2-day drive, 16 hours in total. The car performed absolutely incredible. I got 20 miles per gallon on average with the Admintune economy map. Did you get new wheels on that?
I've had them for like maybe like a year now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, they're nice, brother. They still shine a lot. I was like, they're probably brand new. The goal for me, at least this year in Texas, is to meet new people, go to car meets, and get involved in the car community here in Texas. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.